friends, today I will be going to show you how to make chocolate fudge. Okay, first you add 1/4 cup of butter and milk. Let us mix it well. Now we will keep this mixture aside. Okay. Now in a separate bowl, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Now we have to mix this thoroughly. Just see that there's no lumps. Now let us add the previous mixture to this and mix it thoroughly so that it forms a nice batter. Now the batter is ready. We will also add 2 drops of vanilla essence in this. Just see to it the batter is not too liquid or too smooth. Okay, now let us pour this in a dish glass pan, so that we can keep it in the micro oven. Now our batter is ready. Now the next thing what we have to do is, we have to take 1 cup of brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix it thoroughly, and now we are going to sprinkle this in this batter. Once we sprinkle the mixture, just see to it that it's evenly spread throughout the whole batter. Now we have to pour hot water, half cup hot water into this mixture. Once we pour the hot boiling water, the batter looks like this. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees, and once it's ready, now we have to keep this paste for 40 minutes in the micro oven. So I'll just come and I'll show you how it looks once it's baked. Hello guys, now I have got the cake. Just see the cake, how the chocolate fudge becomes. Okay, now you can decorate it with few things like this, stars, and then you can just put this caramel syrup, Hershey's caramel syrup while serving, and please have it with ice cream. I hope you all enjoyed this.